What if I told you that you could start making real money in 2025 with no followers, no fancy tech, and no real budget? Sounds unreal, right? Stick around because in this video I'm going to show you 3 side hustles that you can start right now, even if you're broke, overwhelmed, or starting from zero. Let me give you real examples, real numbers, and real ways how beginners are making $1,000 or more per month. Grab a seat, because the third side hustle might blow your mind and fatten your wallet. Let's dive in. The first side hustle is TikTok Shop. You're tired of seeing others making money on TikTok while you only scroll endlessly through this app. TikTok Shop lets you now earn commissions by showcasing products in your short videos. No inventory, no shipping, just your phone and no followers or face required. Stephanie, for example, had only 2,800 followers and made $3,500 in 1 month by riding trends and promoting hot products like a neck massager that hit $937,000 in sales in just 1 week. Others like Ali TikTok Girly and El Docho also went viral with simple product demos and made hundreds overnight. So here's how to start. First, you have to join TikTok Shop Affiliate. It's free in the app, just click the button and you already joined this program. Second, now you have to find trending products. Use Google Trends or other TikTok Shop creators, what they are selling or what is going viral currently. And always use the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. And third, now you have to create 60-second videos with bold hooks and good lighting that you're promoting your product in the right way. Show your product and show how this product can solve things for the people who maybe want to buy this product. Then tag your products in your video and tag your TikTok shop. And the fifth point is you have to post consistently, reply to comments and try TikTok Live for more viewers interaction. So now go out there, pick a product, post a demo video today. No followers, no excuses, just start today and right now. And if you don't want to rely on TikTok, here's another way to make you money with skills you already have. The next side hustle is freelancing one skill. Are you good at writing, design, editing, or voiceovers? Freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork lets you sell that skill online. No product, no inventory, just your time and talent. Jay, for example, a dead broke college student, offered his profile for writing gigs on Fiverr. His first $20 order turned into $500 a month and then $5,000 a month. Others do voiceovers, are designing logos, or are copywriting. And clients pay directly, no waiting for you, just direct cash in your bank account. So here's how to start. First, you have to pick a skill or learn a new one, like Canva design, translation, or copywriting. Then you have to sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. After that, you have to create a specific attractive gig listing so people come up to you and want to buy your skill. Now you just have to deliver the work fast and get in your 5 stars reviews. And after you got your first sales and got your first 25-star reviews, you can scale up your prices and sell your products and skills and talent for a higher price. So sign up to Fiverr, list 1 gig tonight. One $5 order might change everything in your life, because you can always scale it up to thousands of dollars a month. Now, maybe you don't want this, or you don't have a skill, or don't want to learn a new one. Maybe you want income that just keeps on flowing even when you're offline and not working. Then the next side hustle is for you. Side hustle 3 is print on demand store. Maybe you were always a seller and want to sell products like t-shirts, mugs without inventory online. Then you have to use print on demand. You just upload a design on a t-shirt or mug And when someone orders, the print-on-demand service prints it on the t-shirt or the mug and ships your product directly to the customer, and you keep the profit margin. For example, you can buy plain white t-shirts for like $8. Then you print your logo on it that you created, or just use a picture online and sell it for $25, $30 on your profile. So the profit margin of $22 all goes into your pockets. And here's how to start. First, you have to choose the platforms that you will have to sign up for, like Etsy, Printful, or Redbubble. Second, you have to pick a niche, like for teachers, children, pets, or hobbies, for example. The third step is designing simple graphics or quotes using Canva. After that, you have to sync your store with a print-on-demand partner. And the fifth step is add keywords, follow trends, and upload regularly. So now go out there and upload one design this week and start making money. That's your first step to passive income. So now I showed you 3 ways on how a lot of content creators are making money online. Now pick a side hustle and go all in for 30 days. Post TikTok videos, send freelance proposals, or list new designs. And in just 1 month, you could be the person that is making all this money online. So now drop a comment with your choice which side hustle you are going to pick. Like the video and subscribe for more real talk money tips. You've got this. Let's make you a millionaire in 2025.